Okay, so this is a requested video, and I plan on making a video of it anyway at one point, of a vintage late 60s or early 70s Tempmaster box fan, 16-inch box fan. I bought this thing for $5. Came in a very old Kmart bag. From the same place that I got the 16-inch Galaxy. A week later. Exactly a week later. There's a sticker. It's made by McGraw Edison. Trying to get a shot. I don't know if you really see that. 2.2 amps. This fan moves. It's not perfectly clean right now. I do have to oil the motor, so it might be a little slow, so I'm going to actually start off on high. This thing moves quickly, and it moves a lot of air. It's in very good condition. Even the original cord is very nice and clean and shiny still. Here's high. It's very loud. That's high. I've actually used this thing quite a bit since I got it. Got it in May of 2013. A little dusty from sitting, but other than that, it's pretty good. There's a little bit of paint loss on it, which is actually recent. It wasn't really like that when I got it. I think there was one spot on top, and now there's a bunch. Actually in very good condition, though. Yeah, I can clean it up a little more. You see, that wasn't really like that when I got it. The original handle. It doesn't look like it would be soft plastic, but it's actually a very solid hard plastic. Screws are nice and shiny. We had dirt in there, but not that bad. It's got a 4-pulse jaded pole motor. Oil ports up there. Got some dust in there and stuff I should probably clean out. I'll see if I can get a startup sound of it. Here's high. Turn it off. And I'll get a startup on low. There's really not much of a startup sound in this motor. It's got a very big motor in it. This thing's got a lot of use on it since I got it. Not so much now, but it used to. I put some tape over the sticker just to protect it. Okay, here's a startup on low. Very faint, but it is there. Very faint, but it is in there. It's actually not a bad fan. Pretty heavy, actually. It easily weighs as much as the Galaxy. I also have some other videos. Somebody asked me about an 80s Eastern Electric box fan, the Myanmar fan, again, and a couple others. So I'm gonna make some videos. The reason I haven't made any videos, you can probably still hear it, is I have been sick. And while I wasn't so sick that I couldn't do stuff, talking was a bit of a hassle. I gotta clean this carpet. From the soda incident, I can explain that in one day. Actually kind of funny. Anyway, that's what those spots are if you saw them. Get some of it out though. Anyway, so I was sick and I was losing my voice, and it was very hard to talk at a normal level. and I didn't want to talk too much because the more I talked, the harder I got to talk. So, I mean, I'm better now. I still have a cough and stuff, but I wasn't that bad. I think Monday of last week I felt pretty bad. Monday morning, but after that I was okay. Tuesday I didn't feel so good either, but I was able to push through it. Now it's Monday this week, and I'm almost over it. Anyway, thanks for watching.
Your heart lays where the rebel